What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As I said in the previous video, the tuning video, I developed a boost leak. And it was a very tiny one, but as I started to dive into it, I found out where the boost leak was. Actually, my tuner found out where the boost leak was. So after we put in the whole new genetic setup for the Hyundai, we noticed that the boost leak was coming from a little throttle body spacer. And we took it off and we figured we would just, you know, bolt it right back up, but the bolts were too long, so I had to drive around with a boost leak for quite some time. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, that seal is well, it kind of failed in a couple of areas. So got old, got brittle. Yeah, so I just ordered a new one, right? I could have ordered a new seal, but I figured I'd just get a whole new unit. It's like 25 bucks more, might as well. It's a cheap little modification. But also, on that note, with the spacer, I ordered, actually found somebody selling one, a forged blow-off valve. Now, everybody on the internet said this is a very good blow-off valve, so we're gonna bolt this in today. I'm super excited. This thing's actually gonna sound really nice with it. Came with all the bolts, came with all the washers, came with everything, and so I cleaned it up and I'm going to install it there. So we have a new throttle body spacer by Torque Solutions and a new blow-off valve, and I shouldn't have a boost leak after that. Well, I don't have a boost leak right now, but that part's not in it anymore. So no boost leaks are good, and better parts are even better. So let's dive into it. What are you guys doing down there? Huh. All right, so the throttle body spacer sits right in between here. So it just pushes this out, and I guess there's a science behind it. It creates a larger diameter for boost pressure to build. It's supposed to be more fuel efficient and do all these things, but I'm pretty sure everybody and their mother has done research on it and doesn't do anything, but it was in there before, so I'm just gonna put a newer one with a newer gasket in. And then the blow-off valve is gonna replace this little factory one. Oh boy. Look at you. Okay. You? This is you. And the guy she tells you not to worry about. All right, so I think I'm gonna start with this because it's literally, it's right there. All right, let's get started. All right, so it's held in by 10mm bolts, so I'm just gonna hopefully not break anything. I think I just need to order a new intercooler setup because I just found a broken bracket right here, and that's not good. Alright, there's 2 of the 3 bolts. Let's see if I can get this one real quick. Can I take this off? Oh, there's that. Yeah, that's kind of hard. I broke that little dried up rubber hose because I just don't care. So, stock. Is that really all it is? That sucks. All right, and then now I need to get, there's my little dried up hose. That sucks. All right, well, that's off. So, check it out. Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna put that on. So, Forge Motorsports blow-off valve has a nice little 2 setup seal over here, and it's supposed to be very aggressive and angry. So I'm gonna put that on here. I'm probably gonna face this little fitting this way so I can loop the, you know, back to its little sensor unit right here. So yeah, let me get that started. Alright, so you're gonna thread them in with Allen keys, but I have no idea what Allen key this is, so just, you know, figure that one out. That's nice and snug. All right. That's nice and snug. That ain't going anywhere except, you know, I guess fluctuating because of the broken bracket. Damn, that sucks. I don't know, maybe I can find somebody else's that's selling theirs. Make sure they're nice and tight. We got a new hose to go onto it, so hopefully we can just, let me grab that real quick. So I got little clamps and fittings for it, and then I bought something to cut the hose with because I don't think I need all of this hose. I think I just need like something from there to there. If it comes off, then, you know, I'll notice after I check it after a couple of miles. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's nice and tight. That's boot and tight. Alright, screw it. That's gonna be the setup we have. It's got a weird little bend to it, but that's clamped on, and that's just gonna hopefully stay that way. So let's fire it up and hear what it sounds like. Whoop! Alright, so the car's warmed up, so tell me if you hear anything. All right, I can hear it over stock. That's better, right? Like it's better. All right, let's move on to the throttle body spacer, because, like, you know, there's science behind that, and they make a lot of horsepower. All right, so hardware, we're gonna need that, and then this. This is the new Torque Solutions throttle body spacer with a perfect gasket. So that gasket failed. Mine was a different setup though, because like it actually had a whole like paper gasket that covered the whole thing. This one just has like a giant O-ring installed into it. So it's kind of like the OEM, or it's like the stock design where it has, like, that's the intake manifold and there's that gasket, right? And then this one has the same thing. So it just spaces that out. It also has these like little fittings, the NPT fittings or whatever, that you can put like ports for meth injection or nitrous. And I'm pretty sure the previous owner, whoever that might be for this car, had nitrous installed on it, because like the other one actually has like a little port that goes to it. So comes with these little block off plates. Since I'm not running nitrous or anything else, I don't really need a port for it, so I'm just gonna block it off. Gotta figure out what size that needs. So yeah, let me get that all set up and then we'll put it all back together. All right, so that's all plugged back in. Now we're gonna put that with all of these new bolts and washers, which are right down here in there. So give me a second. All right, they are all tight. I'm gonna put it all back together and we're gonna go for a drive because I really need to figure out if that makes choo-choo noises or not, and if we have a boost leak, because I mean, come on, you know, I'm not the greatest at this. But new parts, new gaskets, better quality stuff. So can't go wrong with it. I'm gonna put this all back together. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. We're just gonna fast forward right to the future and you'll be in the car with me. All right, bye. All right, so I lied. Everything's buttoned back together. Everything's put in. Everything's brand new in red. Everything's brand new in chrome, polished, aluminum, whatever. Yeah, everything's good. All the Mishimoto crap is good. Nothing's leaking. Let's go for a drive and see if we can make choo-choo noises, because we're really pulling for this one right now. I really want to be driving down the highway and just be annoyed by psh, psh, psh. So we're gonna grab coffee, we're gonna grab me, we're gonna grab my car, and we're gonna go somewhere. All right, let's get at it. Whoop. And for the record, that little hose that was connected to my old BOV to the sensor, whatever it is, this thing is brittle as shit. Like, this is not a rubber hose anymore. This is like petrified plastic. Like, this is done. Like, I can barely squeeze it. It's like cracking in my fingers. Okay. Well, so I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. So yeah, let's get moving. Okay, I don't have a lot of battery life left, but so when we get into boost, it makes a little sneeze. It's adorable. Oh my god. Do you hear that? I hope you can hear it. I may have to mount you. Let's go right. This is like a straightaway with like, there's better roads ahead, I promise. Listen to it, it's like let's awesome. Okay, that's way better than the stock one. I wonder what's back here. Bad roads. Oh, that was a close one. Alright, so the good road stops here. Alright, more sneeze noises. I love it. Oh man, that's good. Oh, hell yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so to wrap it up to that, the new blow-off valve works. It makes little sneeze noises and my car goes psh, psh. So that's good. I'm probably about to get pulled over, so I'm probably gonna end the video here. Like, comment, subscribe. I love you all, and oh shit. Well, the video might not be over yet. Alright, bye guys!